Hello guys, welcome to this lesson, and in this lesson we are going to be learning how to download clips and edit with a mobile phone. Now previously I've talked about making a video, and in order to make a video there are certain things you would want to do, and this is just telling you guys that the previous videos I've done, whether I did it on a laptop or I did it on the phone, it matters. So you really have to go and watch all those videos because I'm not going through the same process over again. So the first thing you need to do in making a video is to get your video idea and your title. I've talked about that previously. Then also you need to prepare your script, make voiceover, get your video editing app. While I was using a laptop, I used the software which is DaVinci Resolve, but right now I'm going to be using an app with my mobile phone. Then getting clips of your video. Also you must edit it in a way that will follow the YouTube fair use policy. So I'm going to be briefing you through all this in this lesson basically. Now take note that previously I've showed you the ways you can use to get your script online, then also the ways you can use to convert your script to a voiceover. So the only difference is that you are just going to be using a mobile phone. You get into your Chrome on mobile, and get into Well Said Lab, which I've showed you on previous lessons. So basically what you want to do right now is, after you have finished using your text to speech, like the voiceover, you just use your mobile phone screen recorder. You can either use your mobile phone screen recorder or use your normal voice recorder. You set it to system sound, then you record it while it's recording. So that was what I did. Then I saved it, and that's what we're going to be using for this video basically. Now in order to get clips for your video using a mobile phone, it's also the same ways, right? Using a system. And using a system, I previously talked about using Videvo and using Pixel. So the good thing about using a mobile phone is we have our Videvo and Pixel app, on the Play Store. So you can just get into your Play Store and download the Videvo and you Pixel and use the same processes, to download your footages, like download your footage, stock footages from both of that place. They are free, like totally free. So you can just download them to use for, your video editing stuff. So in order to edit your videos with your mobile phone, and mind you, this works for either iPhone or Android. In order to edit your video, you can use series of video editing apps. You can use paid apps like Vlo, which is VLLO, KineMaster. Then you can use Adobe Premiere Rush. Then you can also use Filmora. So those are paid apps you can use to edit your video. But if you are going for free, you can use VN Video Editor. You can use InShot. So for this tutorial, for this lesson, we are going to be using InShot because InShot is free and easy. So you can use either of the ones I've named basically. So what you want to do right now is to go to your Play Store and download InShot. I think that will be easy for everybody to do. So when you download your InShot, I'm just going to get into my InShot right now, which is what I'm going to be doing now. So when you get into your InShot, this is how it displays, right? It displays exactly like this with your video, photo, and collage part. But since you are making a video, you click on the video right here. It shows you new. Then you click on new basically. Now when you click on new, it shows you click on the clips you are going to be selecting. So basically I've downloaded my clips using Pixel, right? So you want to download clips, and I've showed you how to download your clips also. So you just click on this. I'm going to be selecting the clips I'll be using, and if there is any other clip I would want to use, I can still go ahead to download more, right? So I'm just going to be selecting about 6 clips right here and click on OK. So as you can see, these are the clips I just selected right here. These are, my script is talking about a dog and dog stuff. So I downloaded things related to dog. I read the script and I followed the script and I downloaded it. I'm just going to explain that to you right now. But one thing you want to do right now is on the right bottom corner, you can see the InShot watermark right here. So in order for you to remove the InShot watermark, you can either pay for the pro or just watch an ad. And I'm not ready to pay for the pro, so I'm just going to watch a free ad. Alright, so I've been able to watch the ad and you can see the InShot watermark has been removed from there, right? So we'll continue with our video editing. Now we have our clips. Now the next thing we want to do is to get in our audio, like the audio, which is the free text to speech, is to get it into our video editing app. So what you want to do right now is to click on music right here. You click on the music and this is exactly what it shows you. You click on the music again, which is the plus. You click on plus and it shows you this. I'm going to be clicking on my music. So the script I downloaded is the dog script. I saved it as the dog script. So This is exactly how it displays, right? So I want to edit the script. I'm just going to come here right now. This is exactly where the script starts from, so I'm going to cut it, move it forward to exactly where it starts from. As you can see, that's where it starts from. Then I'll move it back to the beginning. Yes, so our audio text to speech is right here. So I'm just going to play it so you know how it sounds.
Scientists believe dogs have similar sleep patterns to humans, and that small breeds of dog dream more than large breeds.
You have seen how it started, right? So now let's start editing our video. In order for us to edit our video, we are just going to leave here. Just press the mark on the right. So this is our video right here. So it says scientists, it's talking about scientists, right? So as you can see, my video right here is showing scientists because I went to Pexel and I just clicked scientists. I just searched for scientists dogs and it showed me a lot of video. I just selected a video like I've shown you in previous video. Now, in order for you to edit your clips, I've told you this before, you have to pick 7 seconds of every clip, right? That's how to edit your clip to follow the YouTube policy. You don't use more than 7 seconds of a clip. So when you are doing this, you just pick 7 seconds and get to it, right? So we're going to select 7 seconds. In fact, we can use either below 7 seconds or 7 seconds. So maximum 7 seconds. So I'm just going to click on this now. What's it saying?
Scientists believe dogs have similar sleep patterns to humans.
Scientists believe dogs have similar sleep patterns to humans. So what I want to do right now, where it says scientists believe, I'm going to show this scientist video. Then when it's talking about similar sleep patterns to humans, I'm going to put a dog sleeping, then a human being sleeping right now. So let's see how it goes. Scientists believes, right? Alright. I'm going to cut this video. Alright, so here it's talking about scientists believe. I'm going to drag this video closer, right? I'm reducing it now. It's still 10 seconds. I'm going to reduce it. So let's take it to the beginning and see how it plays. Alright, so let's see how it plays.
Scientists believe dogs have similar sleep patterns to...
I'm still going to reduce it a little bit.
Scientists believe dogs have...
It talks about scientists believe, so I reduced the video to where it talks about belief. So let's play it and see how it plays.
Scientists believe dogs have similar sleep patterns to humans, and that's...
Alright, so this particular video, I want to put another video where a dog was sleeping. So I'm just going to click this down and transfer it to the next place, right? Okay, now see what it's showing.
Dogs have similar sleep patterns to humans.
This is still a human, so I'm just going to select, click this down to a video where dog is sleeping. So this particular video, a dog was sleeping, so I bring it this way, right? No, not text. So let's take it to the beginning and see how.
Scientists believe dogs have similar sleep patterns to humans.
Alright, so where it shows to humans, I'm going to find a human video sleeping. So that's how I just downloaded all those videos, basically. So let's take it to the top right now and see how it goes.
Believe dogs have similar sleep patterns to humans.
To humans.
And that small breeds of dog dream more than large breeds.
So you can see the video right now. It's explaining, I'm getting clips to explain exactly what the script is saying, right? So let's take it back and see how it does. No, not text.
Scientists believe dogs have similar sleep patterns to humans, and that small breeds of dog dream more.
Alright, so we're going to get another video and add another video. Like I said, it's just you being creative, you know, according to the script you have right there. You know, there is no particular way of doing this. It's just you being creative. You know, when you get to your Pexel or your Videvo, you download videos that you feel explains what the script is talking about. Then you just place them together. And remember, the highest you can use for a video is 7 seconds.
Similar sleep patterns to humans. And that small breeds of dog dream more than large breeds. Just as humans stir...
You can see it now. The video is making sense right now. So I'm just going to make this smaller. Make it smaller. You see how it displays. So let's go again.
Scientists believe dogs have similar sleep patterns to humans, and that small breeds of dog dream more than large breeds. Just as humans stir and twitch during REM sleep, dogs do the same.
Exactly. So this video, like, this is just explaining what the text to speech or the woman's voice is talking about, So that is how to, get clips. You add clips and stuff like that. So basically, we're just going to be leaving this and going to the next segment, which is getting music, right? So you can get music, like I said, from YouTube Studio. I've explained that before. So all you want to do is to go to your YouTube Studio. So what I want to do right now is to go to my Chrome. In order to download a song, I just go to my Chrome. Then on the top right, guys, I just click on the three dots right there. Then click on desktop site. So when I click on desktop site, when I'm opening my YouTube now, it opens like it is in a desktop. You can see how it displayed right now, exactly like how it's going to display when I'm using a desktop. So what I want to do next is to click on this C right here and click on my YouTube Studio, get into my YouTube Studio. So this is what it displays. It displays my YouTube Studio. What next I want to do is to go to the YouTube Music, where it shows music icon right here. Click on it, which is the audio library. Then right here, you can select any song depending on the video you are looking for. I'm going to filter it to pop. The genre is going to be pop. Alright, so exactly. So this was the Dove Love I used in my previous video. I'm just going to use it right here using my phone. So what you want to do is on the right side of the page, you click on the download and it starts downloading. Then I will go back to my InShots, to go and import it to the InShot. So when you click on the music plus right here, you click on my music, you can see Dove Love right here. You see how it displays Dove Love. So I'm going to use this music, right? What you want to do is to move this music to the beginning of the video. So listen.
Scientists believe dogs have similar sleep patterns to humans, and that small breeds of dog dream more than large.
You can see right now that it's looking more like a YouTube video, right? So, but if you feel the music is too high and you want to reduce it, what you just do is to double click the track of the music, which is the Dove Love. Then it shows you volume and you just reduce it. Right? So let's take it to the beginning again and see how it plays.
Scientists believe dogs have similar sleep patterns to humans, and that small breeds of dog dream more than.
So you can see it's looking like a perfect YouTube video. In fact, this is much more like what you watch on YouTube, basically. So one more thing you want to do, right, is probably you want to add, the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel or whatever. What you just do is to click on your sticker right here. You click on your sticker plus. So when this open, what you want to do next is to click on your GIF or GIF. You click on it, then you search for subscribe. You just search for subscribe, then you click on OK. So you can see different subscribes right here. You can choose anyone. All right, so we selected this one and let's stick to this one.
Large breeds. Just as humans stir and twitch.
You can see how it shows the subscribe now while the video is playing, right? So that is majorly what you want to do when you are editing a video. Like, this is all you need. So if you are done with editing your video, the next thing you just do is to click on your save, right? You just click on save. And briefly before you save, I'm just going to show you this. Now, remember this video I'm making is for a YouTube video, like a YouTube long video, not YouTube short. Why is it a YouTube long video? Because the frame rate right here is 16 to 9. Look at it right here. This 16 to 9 is what we're having right here. But if you are to, record a YouTube short video, you're not going to be choosing this 16 to 9 for the YouTube long. You're instead going to be choosing 9 to 16, right? What they are having as TikTok handle right here, or TikTok logo right here, you can also use it for YouTube shorts. So it's the same for TikTok or YouTube shorts, right? So if I was doing a YouTube short video, what I would just do is to click on the 9 to 16, right? But since it's a YouTube long video, I'll stick to the 16 to 9, right? So I just click on mark right there. So this is how my video is displayed. Let me just play the video from the top and see how it displays.
Scientists believe dogs have similar sleep patterns to humans, and that small breeds of dog dream more than large breeds. Just as humans.
You can see it's like a perfect YouTube video. Then what we want to do right now, when you have edited your video, when you are done editing the full video, then you just click on your save on the top right corner of your phone screen. You click on your save, then it shows you save by which resolution. You want to choose the resolution of 1080p. 1080p is a perfect resolution, right? So you stick to your 1080p resolution, then you click on your save, right? Then it starts saving, it starts converting the video. So that is how to edit a video, like edit a YouTube video using your mobile phone. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thanks guys for watching.